Hello everyone! Today we'll be unboxing the Boxycharm base box for August 2020. Let's begin. Okay, so we open the box. There's this card and it tells us the theme. It's spa, glamping, sunbathe, yoga, slumber. Okay, so that's the idea. And in the back, it tells you which products are in the box, and it also tells you the variation number of the box, which is right here. I got variation number 2. Okay, let's begin. So, the first item I see here is this Hydra Glow Sleep Serum. And this product retails for $44.95. And it's from Mountain Body Skin. Okay. I have never heard of this brand before. Okay. Let's move on. The next item in the box is this Too Faced Born This Way Super Coverage Multi-Use Sculpting Concealer. And this retails for $29. It's in the shade Swan. So let's see. So this is the item that I chose. You can choose one item in the box every month. So let's see what it looks like. Okay. Just opens that and let's see. Okay, that's what it looks like. Okay, that's the color. Okay. So, let's move on to the next item. And it is this Real Her Definer Brow Pencil. And this product retails for $16. Now, I don't use brow products, but let's see what it looks like. There's a spoolie on one end. And it's this thin liner here. Let's see. Oops, it broke. Yeah, I don't use it anyways, so yeah. Okay. Let's see. The next item in the box is this Clarins Velvet Lip Perfector. And this product retails for $26. And we got it in the shade 1, which is Velvet Nude. So let's see what it looks like. Okay, so it comes in this interesting container where you have to squish out the color. Oh, look at that. That is interesting. Okay. It's like this light brown color. It's like this spongy type of applicator. Interesting. Okay. And there's one last item in the box. And it's this Violet Voss Essentials 2 eyeshadow palette. And this retails for $36. It has 10 eyeshadow shades. I think we got the Essentials 1 palette in the previous Boxycharm before. So this is part 2. Okay. Oops. Okay. Got it. So when you open it, it does come with a mirror. Okay. So let's see. My favorite part of eyeshadows are the sparkly ones, the shimmers. So let's see. This is a pretty color. Oh, that is so bright. Oh. That is pretty. Okay, let's see. That's very pigmented. Wow. Okay. And then these are transition shades that can be used. Oh, those are light. You can't even tell. Those are so light. Okay. Cool. So that's the last item in the box. Well, I hope you guys enjoyed this unboxing. And if you did, please don't forget to like and subscribe. Thank you and have a wonderful day. Bye.